Hey everybody, I just wanted to go ahead and jump right into this video. It's going to be a very short vlog, but I'm wanting to clean up today, so we're just going to start with this cart with our veggies and fruits on it, and I'm just going to wipe everything down and like kind of clean it off, sweep, and hopefully have everything back up here in like 10 minutes. It shouldn't take long to do it all. But I wiped those down, and so I'm gonna like scoop this thing out because it's on wheels, and I'm just gonna like sweep behind it. And then I'll work with this lunchbox. My nephew's lunchbox shouldn't even be up there, so I'm gonna move that. And that can be recycled, and just, I don't know, just try to organize this little space. All done. That didn't even take 10 minutes. So I'm gonna run to the store and then just kind of stock it back up. So in the bathroom, I've also been doing some organizing. If you know how my apartment looks, you know, like I had this on my bar, those two things, and then I had some soap. And so since me and Marla moved in with my mom, we have to share a bathroom. So I have this side, and then Marla just has that side over there. And we both have, I have a cabinet, she has a cabinet over there, and then we share this in the middle, and then we share the drawer in the middle too. So I was trying to organize like the bottom cabinet, which is kind of hard. I'm trying to, I guess, put everything in one drawer because I put like cleaning supplies and some hair stuff in here. Like on that side, it's like air fresheners, alcohol peroxide, glass cleaner, paper towel, and then I just like threw some hair stuff right there. I still gotta buy like some bins to like kind of organize a little bit better. But this is like skin, face stuff, moisturizers, my Vanity Planet face scrubber thing, fingernail polish, tampons, pads, stuff like that. So yeah, but that's, I mean, it's a work in progress. Still trying to get everything the way it needs to be, but yeah. It's always motivating to clean up when you get new packages in the mail. So I'm just gonna put my clean skin wipes and my cotton rounds up on the bar and just make sure that they're all set whenever I get to, a chance to wash my face in the morning and at night. So I made it to Bible study, and I wanted to show you a quick look at the progress of my foot peel because I was sitting in church and look, it was flaking off so bad. So at home I try to rub it off, but it still looked like this. Back home from Bible study, and we're just gonna go to the track. So I just came home and I'm just gonna grab, put these leggings on, hoodie, and my tennis shoes. And we're gonna head out. We got all this water. We better go work out. Are we missing one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, we're not. This is actually the first time that I've been out on like a regular walking routine since I've been home with COVID, or since I've been home from being hospitalized with COVID. So I was only able to do 1 mile, and I struggled to do that, and that's very unlike me. So I'm just hoping to regain my strength. I don't think I've been out here any today, but me and Marley are trying to do like a reel. Well, not even a reel. I'm trying to make a video for her. She's already cut the bag open and everything, and then like I didn't properly like explain to her what the video was supposed to be like, so we failed. So now I have to do another video. It's going on her Instagram page, on one of her Instagram pages. So this is what will be going into her bag. And then here with some more stickers. So yeah, I'm just trying to do like a setup, but I need to make sure everything is perfect, and she knows what to say this time because we definitely flopped.
We did.
But you ready to go again?
I'm ready.
So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to rewrite this. I'm putting her name on here, but of course with like a fake address, so in case somebody sees it. I think I did an L like this one. Oh, I smeared it.
What happened?
I smeared it.
I see it.
It's
what,
okay.
on the R? Yeah.
Yeah. Do I need to get another bed?
Mom,
I think we're gonna be okay.
We already wasted one.
Okay, let's
I'll
make
be fine with the
what fake address do you wanna? Let's try.
I thought we just did the one.
Let's
do the one we just did.
4107.
Cutie Street. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I did.
Cute.
We just do Cute Street.
No, that's so fake.
It is fake.
We
Cute Street.
Just do like a heart at the end of
Let's put save.
Avenue. Do Cute Street Avenue.
I already did.
No,
I did Street. It can't be Cute Street.
Oh yeah, I was.
It can't be Cute
No, I
Street
wasn't playing.
Avenue.
No, like it could be
It's
like
there.
that's the
It's
name.
there. We've done it. Safe Place.
I mean, it's a fake address. We can do whatever.
Safe Place, Mississippi. I mean, Mississippi is outside. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it alone.
And do a heart at the end of
We can
Mississippi. Do a heart. Do a heart.
3,
Oh.
9, 4.
What's
Heart
that?
where?
A heart at the end of Mississippi.
Okay, and
Yay.
then I guess this is for.
Do the muty. I keep saying the muty.
I don't want it to smear, but we'll just say.
I have a problem.
My hand's sticking to it. My mom's here.
It looks sticky.
It just says Shariah. Okay, the mood it is. So now the thing is done. So this is what
You guys need a different name. I keep saying
Putting in here.
muty.
sticker pack.
That's very cute.
And I wanted to get something that, I mean, because Marley's only 9, so I wanted to show something that fit her. So this one says you made it to the weekend. Because I still feel like kids get burnt out during a week as well.
We do.
Do good daily and make time for fun. So, hold on.
Oh my God.
Yes, Mama. Hey, Mom.
Or possibly stand there to grab something for me.
All right, we'll be there in a second.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye. And we're putting this in here too. You are made of magic.
I love
So yeah. Oh, and the T-shirt that we actually made for her.
Mom, I folded that up. I did all the work for
let you
nothing.
go.
No, I don't
Vacation mode on.
Yes,
And-
and I didn't know. If you watch my video, you might have saw that shirt.
Yeah.
It's wrinkled.
Okay, go for Mimi.
Okay.
So we just completely flopped. My phone like just cut off in the middle of me trying to record this for her. Marley.
It's fine. It's just, it's okay to have a bad day.
Okay, so I know sometimes food doesn't look cute on camera, but my mama got us a veggie pizza. Half veggie and half, I think she had chicken on hers, but me and Marley, of course, got veggie. So we're about to eat and then get back to work.
I don't like spinach on my pizza.
Just eat it.